day. It's Monday and it's bath day. I thought Taylor would like to see Jitterbug taking his little bath. And Lucky's fighting him for the bowl. Yeah! As soon as I put the bowl down today, Jitterbug jumped right in there. He said, okay, today's the day. It's been too cold the last few days, they wouldn't get in the bowl. But he's really wet today. Look at your bird, Taylor. Look at your Jitterbug. Jitterbuggy, is that good?
Oh my gosh.
I know, it was full. Look at that. Come on, Lucky, you can take your bath now. Well, maybe not.
Look, if you want, take it
Yeah,
back.
they all want their bath today. They wouldn't take one a couple days ago, it's too cold. I'm about to get more water.
Look at the vida loca! How do you like my new plant?
Cool. Uh-oh, bird down, bird down.
It was looking bad. I thought it was all dead.
Come here. Come here,
Really good
Valentino.
last night.
Where's Valentino going, huh? Does Valentino want a bath too? Just a minute, and you can have your bath too. Here comes Sammy. Ludicrous. Crazy bird. This is Sammy on her throne. Don't mess with Sammy on her throne. Puppy's waiting for his bath. So's Kiwi. Look at your Jitterbug, Taylor. He's all wet. Look at him. Fresh water. Dirty bird needs fresh water. He's living la vida loca. You're getting my camera wet, Jitterbug. Come on, Lucky. Come on, Lucky.
Papa. Here.
Papa?
Papa. Papa.
Come here, Lucky. Come here, Luck. Come on.
Want a good bath?
Don't you want to take your bath, Lucky?
You got gray eyes. Yeah, good, go for it.
Lucky, don't you want to take your bath? You're all dirty. You need your bath. Look at that dirty little tail. Come on. Come here. Come on, Lucky. Take your bath. Are you afraid of the camera? Okay. Time to go get fresh water. This water's dirty and gross. Come on, Lucky. Take your bath. You're really dirty. Okay. We'll be back in a minute.